In this video, I will show you how you can go ahead and farm the Aether Cloud airdrop. Now, Aether Cloud has received a overall funding of around $11 million and it's currently valued at more than $150 million. Now, in future, we can see this increasing. Now, basically, it's a decentralized cloud infrastructure for gaming and AI. So, Aether Cloud is a mix of deep in gaming and AI, which are some of the hottest narratives right now during this bull run. Now, in order to farm this airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to sign up with Aether Cloud, links in the description. And once you sign up, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your wallet over here. Now, once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to complete the task on Galaxy as well as some campaigns on the layer 3. Now, you can additionally purchase a node which is optional. Now, this node will give you some points. So, as you can see, each node holder badge will receive points. Now, if we go to their node over here, as you can see, there is a current tier of tier 39 and it's currently priced at around 1.82 wrapped ETH as per the current tier. Now, as and when the tier gets over, the price keeps on increasing. So there are multiple rounds of tiers over here, and if you want to go ahead and purchase this node, you can go ahead and do this. So as you can see, the Aether node consists of around 53 tiers. Now if we talk about the Galaxy campaigns, there are two types of campaigns over here where you can go ahead and complete all of this. So these are pretty simple tasks like follow them on Aether and then follow, visit some website, like, retweet, comment. Links in the description for this as well, and you can go ahead and complete this. Now with regards to layer 3, it's a similar thing. You can go ahead and finish all of this task on the layer 3. Now there are some additional quests that you can do in order to potentially qualify for the Aether Cloud airdrop. Is basically you can go to question over here and search for Aether, and currently there is one quest that is active, which is Aether Community Party. You can go ahead and basically participate in this quest over here. So it's pretty simple. You have to connect your Discord, Telegram and some small things here and there, but you can go ahead and finish off this quest over here. And the last thing that you might want to do is you will need to go to Zeely and join Aether community over here and try to complete all of this. So basically once you complete all of this, you would be able to complete this as well, and this as well, and as well as some quest on Galaxy. So for now, this is how you can go ahead and farm Aether Cloud airdrop. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.